Hello friends, welcome to class 4, St. Thomas School, EVS chapter 6, Ria's journey. Ria and Jia, they both were excited for a journey to go Vapi by train. Jia was very excited, Ria was also very excited. As the both families decided to go together, Ria's father had booked the tickets for both families before 15 days. Dear children, we know that whenever we are going out, we have a lot of excitement when we start the journey in the train. Just 2 days before, Jia fell ill. Doctor told her to take rest. Jia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad. They made the plans for a trip. Due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Then Jia said that she had an idea. She told Jia, "Don't be upset. You write everything in the trip into the diary. Take photos, videos in the mobile. When you come back, you just share with me." Now, in which vehicle have you traveled? Car, bus, train, aeroplane? We can write down the particular answer for this. What would happen if Jia had traveled despite her illness? Dear children, despite her illness, if Jia is traveling, then she will face more problem during the journey. Parents also will face more problem. Ria's diary is full. Today is Ria's starting point, that where she reached to the Gandhidham railway station. After some time, train is arriving and she saw that some passengers were sitting in the train and train is departing from 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj and name of the train was Kutch Express. Then they took the entry into the coach. People were getting off. They were pushing and trying to put their luggage in. So train is stopping only for 15-20 minutes. All of you managed to get in as instructed by father. Then they got their luggage inside. They got the seat inside. Mother and she got window seat. Father and Himaksh got the middle seats. There were another family with us. They seemed to board the train from the previous station. They had 2 children of our age with them. They got 2 upper seat and 2 lower seat. After some time, ticket collector came and checked the tickets and see that they were in the proper seat or not. Then they have noticed. Why did Ria's father say to get the train quietly? Because there was a lot of time to get in because train is stopping for 15-20 minutes. How will you recognize the ticket checker at the time of journey? At the time of journey, we can recognize the ticket checker by its dresses. If the dresses are proper, we can find out him. Which details ticket checker checked in the ticket? Ticket checker is asking to us Aadhaar card, our ticket number, age, everything he is checking and returning us back. Friends, in next session we will talk more about this lesson. Till then, thank you. Please write down properly whatever PDF I have given to you. Thank you.